Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I think I should give you a break for some time. I'm a bit late, but take a break of 5 minutes and come back 4 minutes and come back at 8:35. You may keep yourself logged in, but move away from your mobile for 4 minutes. Okay?
मेरा पर्स कहाँ है?
Okay, so you all are here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the old screen?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm explaining something very simple counting method. You know how to count? No one is answering. Do you know how to count?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You may be thinking why I'm asking this question. Something which is related to our counting method. How many are there?
13.
13. Correct. Which is fifth from the beginning?
Sir, E.
E. And fifth from the end?
I.
I. Now, fifth from the end is which term from the beginning?
M.
This fifth term from the end, you said I. I agree to that. It is which term? Fourth term or fifth term or sixth term or ninth term from the beginning?
Ninth.
Ninth term. Let us correlate this. If there are 13 terms here and we are looking for fifth term from the end or not?
जाओ ले आओ.
Here we are looking fifth term from the end. That means we have to exclude 4 terms from the end. 13 minus 4, how much is left?
9.
9. Is it the ninth term from the beginning?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if there are n terms total and we are looking for rth term from the end,
आप दुकानदार हैं.
तुमको दुकान नहीं जाना होगा.
then how many terms we have to exclude?
Sir, n minus 1.
We are looking for rth term. So r minus 1 terms are to be excluded, subtracted or not?
Yes, sir.
R minus 1 terms are to be subtracted. So n minus r plus 1. So you should remember n plus 1 minus rth term
जाएंगे हम सैटरडे को घर जाएंगे. हाँ तो 13 दिन होगा तब ना. नहीं 12 दिन में ही जाएंगे.
from the beginning.
13 दिन है, थोड़ा सा खून देखना पड़ता है. हम नहीं देखेंगे, हमको जाना है.
Can you see the word beginning which I have written in your mobile?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you keep it in landscape mode, then you can see. Well, why I am saying you remember n plus 1 minus r. Actually, we have subtracted r minus 1 from n. So n minus r plus 1 is correct. But often what happens, the final thing is here, rth term from the end is equal to n plus 1 minus rth term from the beginning. It is written in the material also. I'll show you. See here. If there are n terms, then rth term from the end means n minus r plus 1th term from the beginning. But I suggested take it, remember it as n plus 1 minus r. Okay? N plus 1 minus r. Why? I'm giving you a practical reason. Somewhere, suppose there are 20 terms and we are looking for 6th term from the end. You write like this. It is how much?
15.
15. That is correct. But many of you may be thinking it is 20 minus 7 and that is 13. Anyone is thinking like this by Bodmer's rule? Please tell me honestly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you think, then it means you have not understood Bodmer's rule properly. By Bodmer's rule, addition. Wait. Yes.
Sir, it will be wrong because it is not in bracket.
Yes, but see what confusion happens. Bodmas rule says addition then subtraction, or not? So due to that misunderstanding Bodmas rule properly, we add 6. We do addition first, 6 plus 1. But Bodmas rule says you add 1 to 20 and then subtract. You will get 15.
बाबू खाना पड़ेगा बाबू
And for your information, a practical thing is, if there are only addition, subtraction, inverse operations, please go from left to right. 20 minus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. That's all. You don't have to worry. So is this point clear?
मंगा दो मंगाएगा
कौन
Now come to the question.
मिक्सचर अभी नहीं
I'll just show you this question. You will do it at home.
बोलेगी तो कुरकुरे
Find the 7th term from the end of the series. How many terms are there?
पार्टी मिलता है
Do you know how many terms are there?
कोई नमकीन चीन जाओ
32.
No, sir.
खाना
32.
हल्दी वाला नहीं खाएंगे हम 12 तारीख को यहाँ
We do not know. We do not know. You are looking answer here and then you are telling me. So we find n. We know AR. So find R properly. How will you find R? 2 divided by root 2. That is root 2. So A is root 2 and R is root 2. Nth term is this formula. 32 is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Observe that root 2 to the power n minus 1 into root 2 is root 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. Now 32 is written as 2 to the power 5. 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Look at the use of the bracket. Root 2 whole square is 2 and then its power 5 is equal to root 2 to the power n. So root 2 to the power 10 is equal to root 2 to the power n, and that means n is equal to 10. Once we know n is equal to 10, now 7th term from the end means 4th term from the beginning. 7 plus 1 minus 4. 4th term from the 10 plus 1 minus 7. N plus 1, 10 plus 1 minus 7, and that is 4th term from the beginning. We find 4th term. T4 is equal to this. Root 2 to the power 3, root 2 to the power 1, root 2 to the power 4, or you may write root 2 into 2 root 2, finally 2 into 2, 4. So please do this question, one question today. Okay. Now I'm leaving your class. You have the break time now for 5 minutes. Break time for 5 minutes. At 8:50, what subject do you have at 8:50?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi. But we never know whether it will be Hindi or English. So all the best for your unit test. Thank you very much.